How to use DuckDuckGo as your default search engine on Google Chrome. In this tutorial, I'll show you guys how you can change your default search engine on your Chrome browser. As you can see by default, right now I'm using Google as my default search engine. But if you want to change it, all you have to do is go to the settings menu by clicking on the top right, find settings, and on the left-hand side of your screen, you'll find the search engine option. If you click on it, here you'll have an option to manage your search engine. By default, it's Google, so click on Change. And here are a few options that you can choose from. But as you can see, DuckDuckGo is not here. So what you can do is go to your tab and then simply search for Web Store. Now, go ahead and open up Chrome Web Store here. Go to the search bar and simply search for DuckDuckGo and click on it. All you have to do now is add this extension to your Chrome browser. Click on Add Extension, and now you can make DuckDuckGo as your default search engine. Once the extension has been added, let's go back to our settings and go to Search Engine. And as you can see, the default search engine is now DuckDuckGo. If I go to another tab, as you can see here, the DuckDuckGo extension has been enabled. Now, whatever I search here is going to be on DuckDuckGo, so I'm just going to keep it for now. And as you can see here, the search engine has been changed. That's pretty much it for this video, guys. If you found it helpful, be sure to like it and subscribe to our channel. I'll catch you guys on the next one.